Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea and I have another video for you guys. Today I want to talk about Bitcoin, take a look at crypto.com Crowcoin because guys, there's some interesting things we need to talk about. So without further ado, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop into this video. So guys, right now Bitcoin is trading at $63,439.64, down about 2.7% on the day. But all I really want you to pay attention to here right now, guys, is the altcoins taking a little bit of a beating. We did get some bounces. Because we did see a big move to the downside to about that 61,000. We bounced back up to that 65,000, and today on the market open, we're finding ourselves around that $63,400 price level for Bitcoin. So we're kind of chopping around. We'll take a look at the chart shortly, but Bitcoin dominance 54.26%. When you exclude stablecoins, guys, 56.24%. Moving slowly and steadily to that 57% mark. We did break that, but I think we're going to probably hang around that level for a little bit more of a substantial time. We did break above into that level for the Bitcoin dominance. We did break above that 57%. I do think 60% is on the table. I'm not going to say that, yes, that's a given, but I do think that 57% trading around there for a little bit more time is to be expected. We're just seeing Bitcoin kind of steal the show here. The spotlight is on Bitcoin. And, we saw a big panic sell, an impulse wave sell move on Bitcoin, and the alts took a beating. It's as simple as that. And it's honestly the first time we've seen that so far in a significant amount of time. I haven't seen the big altcoin sell-offs while Bitcoin trades relatively sideways for quite some time. I'm talking probably almost over a year at this point. But that being said, guys, we're in a bull market. I know that seems crazy to say that when everyone's freaking out with Bitcoin coming down just a little bit because of the conflicts going on in the world. But, guys, we're still in a bull market. And honestly, seeing these altcoins make these big haircuts while Bitcoin makes a big move to the downside, and this wasn't even really a large move, we'll measure it shortly, it's to be expected. And honestly, it's healthy. I know that's becoming kind of a meme saying, oh yeah, the being bearish short term is bullish, but really it is. It sets us up for a longer bull market. I do want to take a look at Bitcoin because we have a very important price level, which, keep in mind, guys, we are still trading on it. We're just barely on it. If we do see a daily candle close in the next 21 hours below this price level of about, I would say, $63,500, I would expect this move to come a little bit further down and break down a little bit more. But that being said, guys, we are only 4 days away from the Bitcoin halving. There's going to probably be some fireworks here. There's a lot of craziness going on in the world, making people want to panic because of war and all of that doom and gloom, talking about more inflation. But guys, I just want you to zoom out here with me for a quick second here. When you look at the daily, everyone's been panicking so much. Let's measure this move from the new all-time high of about $74,000 to where we are right now. We wicked down 17% move to the downside. Can we go further down? Yes, we can go further down. Do I think we're going to see a large move to the downside? No, I don't. Unless something absolutely catastrophic happens. And to be quite honest with you guys, if that does happen, I am going to be loading up so much I probably won't have any more dry powder left. And I usually am never like that when it comes to trading. I'm much more of a cyclical trader. But if we do see a large move because of something catastrophic happening in the world, I'm going to be loading up. And just on this dip alone, I was buying Jupiter. I bought some more Solana, buying some other coins. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys are buying on this dip, because honestly, in my opinion, not financial advice, but these dips are for buying. These are the first opportunities. If you weren't buying back in the bear market to be loading up on some bags if you're feeling underexposed. I mean, guys, and talk about the weekly. I switched to the weekly. This is nothing. It's nothing. It's crazy. Everyone's panicking. It's absolutely nothing right now. And I do have to say this because it would be a disservice for me not to say it. Guys, this can get this can get way worse. These moves to the downside. But I don't think that this move is going to play out to the downside further unless there is something catastrophic, an actual black swan event where we see more pain come. I do think that there could be a little bit more pain for the short period here, but guys, there's just so many bullish catalysts coming around the corner. Like I said, Bitcoin halving 4 days away. Rate cuts, hypothetically in June. We have an election year. The stock market can't go down when there's an election year, right, guys? Right? Hong Kong, China, coming out with Bitcoin and Ethereum spot ETFs. They get approved. The fears for buying in the bull markets, guys. The dips are for buying when you're in a bull market. So let's talk about Crocoin a little bit. Because Crocoin has broken down the downside. I expect this. I expect, especially if this dip plays out a little bit longer on Bitcoin, which I think it will. I think we're going to see some sideways chop. I expect Crocoin to put in a little bit more corrective periods. Come down a little bit. Maybe to that 10-cent price level. Hopefully we don't go much below 12 cents. So we capitulated quickly below it, but now we've bought and back up. I had this triangle set up, and if we were, before we got that panic in the markets, we were going to break up to the upside here to 20 cents. But what do you know? We came down, and yes, we could come back into this little triangle here, but I expect right now for Crocoin to perform poorly versus Bitcoin for the short term, because Bitcoin dominance, guys. Bitcoin dominance. As you get closer to the halving, Bitcoin steps into the spotlight, absorbs the liquidity, and guys, you know, the real big rally will come when it comes to Bitcoin dominance when Bitcoin makes that large move to the upside. That big move, say to 100,000 or 85,000. A quick move is going to absorb a lot of liquidity. You need to pay attention to that. But guys, if you like these quick updates, please hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. Check out some awesome referral links down below this video. We have a $4,100 sign-on bonus to Femex. All you got to do is click the link in the description box below. Deposit, trade a little bit, get a bunch of free money. Also, go follow me on Twitter at 333Blacksea. I'm very active over there. Do giveaways here and there. It's a lot of fun giving back to you guys. But that's all I got for you. Be patient. These dips are for buying right now. That's all I got. See you in the next one. Bye.